Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AI and machine learning in easy method. Begin by reviewing core math topics, then pick one practical project, code daily, and log progress. Focus on small wins, like a simple classifier or regression model, and iterate until it works. Balance theory with hands-on work, use community feedback, and keep notes that are easy to revisit when you need a quick refresher. Map a clear curriculum, basics, applied models, then deployment and ethics. Spend focused weeks on each area and pick micro-projects that finish in days to build confidence. Track progress with a simple checklist and share results with peers for feedback. Use public datasets to practice, then replicate a published model to learn nuances. Keep practicing deployment so models become usable, not just academic exercises. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun little pick-me-up between study sessions, and check the description for the link and other deals. Your support really helps me keep creating useful content and testing tools. Now let's get back to the video. Build a friendly workflow that supports learning and results. Start with Python and Jupyter for interactive experiments, then use scikit-learn for quick prototypes. Track experiments with simple logs or lightweight tools so you can reproduce wins. Use Git for code and keep notebooks organized. When a model performs well, package and deploy a demo so you can showcase practical skills. This keeps motivation high and helps you learn deployment challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.